Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share shopping lists from the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share a shopping list from the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and then click on Lists and Favorites. Now select the list which you want to go ahead and share. So let's select this Future Items to Buy list. Then click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner. Then click on Share List. So this is going to make it so that you can share this list, and it's going to be a view only link, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share a shopping list from the Target app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.